Okay, it's Chris. I just watched Tay's video of her little mustache. Okay, I'm a little angry there. So I decided I'm gonna try it out myself. Yeah. Alright. Let's take off the glasses.
I like it so far. It's really good. This is great. Oh my gosh. Thanks, Kay, for giving me this idea. I really like it. This is looking great. How's your day, guys? I had a great one. I have family visit in town, so that's great. I think I'm going to surprise them with my luscious, beard. Crap, crap, crap. You know what? I'll leave it. So, I got the great value. Because she thought it was really good. I'm sorry. Wow, it's amazing. Works like a charm. Now I see how to take it off and on. Oh, great. Oh my gosh. I like the little hatchet. Is it really size in my rebel? I just love how honest this makes me look. You know, some people are not honest with the way they feel about their looks and stuff. I really appreciate the face that my mother and father gave me. You know what? I decided that the meal wouldn't be enough, so I decided to bring some oatmeal. You know, give it that little extra flavor. Is great. Oh crap! The chocolate's sticking to the counter. I'm suing the company. They never said that on their warning label. Do they even have a warning label? They do not. I object. Seriously. We'll just ask to look pretty. This is ridiculous. You know what? I'm letting it go. I just took my necklace on. Told them to take them here for the pool, you know. This is how it comes out. It's really great, and I really urge you guys to do this, because if you haven't yet, you're really missing a lot in life. I just really feel like this is important, and sorry, I'm a bit yawn. My face broke. Oh my gosh.